Hello everyone, hello, how are you doing guys? We are Team Digital Adverts and money, passive residual income. So today I'm going to be showing you the same video on registering. How do you register? How do you register and become a member, right? I'll be showing you a video on how to register. Once you click on the three dots, you come and choose register. Because you are a new member, you will have to register. I'm registering, I'm showing the process. This is what I'm doing. Website thing. Yes, this is what I'm doing. Your sponsor is this person who taught you about the business. Your sponsor is this person. Your sponsor is the person who taught you the business. Who taught you business. Your friend, wherever you found the video, that's going to be your sponsor. Sponsor comes along with the link. Sponsor comes alongside the link. From it, you get to fill out sponsor service. But if you find the website, you get a sponsor. For the sponsor, I'm going to give you in case you go and try the sponsor in case you have favorite. Now everything is done in small letters. Because I'm trying to how you put a new account if you're a new user, right? So let me say my username is Jackie, right? Jackie 230. Yeah. Then my first name is show me is Peter. Yeah. This is what I was telling you. Everything should be done in small letters. Yes. My second name, last name is, let me say that. Here you use you will use your own email, right? At josh@email.com. You will use your own email. 227, let me say, yes. You put a number. It is all about you. You can start with the country code +254 7658. Yes. Make sure you use your phone number. Then it's a female. Depending again, you use male country. Select your country. You'll select your country. You'll select your country. Right? You select your country. You come and look for your country. Yes. You select right. Make sure you scroll up for your country. Wherever you are, this is going to be right. Select city. Select city. Select the country. Right. Make sure select your country, or else I will leave my contact in the description. Before, if you're outside there, if you let me know what we can do for you. Yes, you let me know, right? Select your what? Select your city. You select your city where you are right now. You get your password. These are the steps where I'll tell you. You get your password. Password you use every day. Password you use every day. Password you use every day. Yes, so put your password here and say I agree to adhere to the different ones. There actually you agree. Then from here, make sure click register. Click register and see how far it's going to be done in the process. In it will show the function right. When you get all that, you wrote. Yes, something about it. Oh yeah, that's a problem. Yes. So you come back. Yes. And select. You repeat the process. I'm going to do this process. You is next. The first try you need to come up the way you wanted. Try till you get what is and is acceptable. Yes. And help your time, look for country. Initiality down here. Take some time for it. Take some time. Look for it's going to be the whole local. If this then fits you, no problem. Contact me in the description. Make sure you contact me on opportunity. How do you use an opportunity? So after selecting, let's say what do you put? Put password in to match. How to them around making new passwords. We have to be very careful when making this new password. We have to be very careful making this password. Right? Let's come here and confirm the password. the scam there, so that we don't forget. Password. This is very important. That's why I intend. That's why I wanted you to see how this is to work for you. Okay. You have the terms and you click register. This is the last time I'm making a video on registration. I have several videos showing you registration. So my friends, I'm making a video and it's going to be the last one. Those who haven't seen such videos, I'm referring you to my description. You are going to find my contacts. You let me help you out via calls, via WhatsApp, filling in all what is right. Successfully, to see the dashboard. No, I have successfully. So as you see dear Jack 230, this is to remind you to verify your email to avoid missing out on important company communication. So from here, you will be able to click from this. Sure, you click and verify your email. Do it as soon as possible so that you may not miss out on the opportunities and the communications. Another kind reminder of you to activate your account before the benefit. To activate your account to benefit from 6 ways of earning. Yes, these communications are all very important. Don't hesitate. Don't think that stuff will not work. From here I'm showing you how do you activate your account. Finally, I'm making a double video in one. I won't really go ahead to show a different video on activating your account. Wherever you are, every system is working perfectly well. So from here you just say activate. You activate your account from here. You activate from here. This is what comes. I have the activation codes. You may have the codes, or if you don't have the codes, use mobile money. So when put in mobile money, links are personal. Telecom provider, wherever you are. If you are outside Uganda, then all providers are put in where you are. So you put your number. Where is that money? You see, that is money. You put money, then you activate. You put money, then you press. After putting your money, you press activate. Press activate. For the person not getting an account, I wanted to show you that everything is very possible. So what is, you have registered yourself, you have done everything in the right way. You reach the dashboard, all you need to do is activate the account. So from here I won't be going further, but I'll be showing you some few details in other videos. So new members, please activate account, register, enjoy collectively. Thank you.